No, I don't think we need you, but one case, Mr.
All right. In the record that Mr. Davis is present and in custody. Mr. Davis does not have an attorney. Mr. Palal and Mr. DeJacco are here on behalf of the state. Mr. Davis, have you been able to retain the services of counsel?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to need to appoint an attorney to represent you today. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so based upon, it's my understanding the public defender's office is not.
Your Honor, may I approach on that?
Yes.
Thank you.
Keefe D, man. He had just had court, I think like today or yesterday, but sometime recently.
And
No,
that
today is Monday, so not today, either today or sometime last week. And he pleaded not guilty and still didn't have no lawyer yet, man, which is crazy.
hey, that it is crazy as shit. I seen somewhere that he is trying to get goddamn one of the Goodmans. Oscar Goodman, who was the former mayor, who was the attorney for the mob in the 70s, who was the mayor for like the last 20 years in the city of Las Vegas. He stepped down. His wife won the election. You know what I mean? So I think his name is like Nancy Goodman and shit like that. But they having a law firm since the 70s, obviously. Mob attorney and everything like that. So Keith was trying to hire their son, John Goodman, to represent him. You know what I mean? Which he's a really good lawyer. But they were saying that we don't know if Keefe D is going to be able to come up with the money to get this representation from the Goodman firm type shit. You know what I mean? So if he was to go with the Goodmans, man, he got access to come out of some shit, man. You know, those just you got to have a real cutthroat lawyer. In the lawyer game, that motherfucker better be cutthroat. And for sure, the Goodmans is as cutthroat as it get.
Hey, I'm surprised he hasn't had one of them lawyers that step up and do it for free. What's them lawyers called?
Pro bono. Somebody is probably trying to get a pro bono situation with the high capacity of the case. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. So I was kind of surprised that he ain't got one of them lawyers yet. And they offered him the public defender and shit. I'm like, damn, he down bad. My boy in there got the beard already.
Yeah, you know, CCDC is a horrible ass place. So it ain't gonna be looking like he's on vacation. He's looking like he's in prison, in jail type shit. You know what I mean?
But he gave a thumbs up. I don't know. He was talking to somebody in the crowd. You feel me? He gave him a thumbs up.
Probably had his wife or his family or the hood. Ain't no telling who was out there to represent. He probably, for sure, somebody was out there to represent his best interest, his favor.
Usually, on a high profile case, you got the lawyers out there that just do it for free because they gonna, eventually get their name out there and down the line, whether if they lose or win. Better if they do win the case on a pro bono.
Ain't that what Eric man, what's the dude? Shitty cuz he had the lawyer that he had at first, that high profile attorney. I can't think of
yeah, the black dude. And he backed down like the next day.
Hey, that's my boy. That's my boy's cousin. You know what I mean? He represented OJ Simpson, and ain't nobody in the Bay Area seen him since he did their OJ Simpson trial and shit like that. You feel me? Then he pop up representing Eric Holder. You know what I mean? So yeah, he was doing the pro bono, but he dropped out. So you know what I mean? We don't know if somebody gonna fuck with Keefe D like that. You feel me? You got to see. Only time will tell in this Tupac trilogy.
Man, different cases be different, man. Some of them people, they take that shit serious, man, and start sending threats to motherfuckers and shit, lawyers and shit for taking a case. So maybe people out there is scared of that, man, just to go through all that drama that's gonna come with it, because it's not all flowers. You feel me?
Yeah, it's a lot of good. It come with the bad, the bad with the good type shit for real.
Man. Run up on me, your body could get an outline. I'ma let you play with it. I'ma get mine.